Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue on your Windows 11 computer with the OOBE keyboard, OOB local or OOB region error that you were experiencing on your Windows computer. It says that something went wrong. You can try again or skip for now. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend trying would be just to actually go ahead and try and continue the installation. And if you're still having a problem after a couple more attempts, something else we can try here as well would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match should come back with command prompt, right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC followed by a space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And you can see it did find corrupt files and successfully repaired them. Go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer, but make sure you save and close out of any open programs and applications first, and then proceed to restart. And there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.